What's going on, everybody? Soliaka here, and I'm not gonna get this intro long. You know what to do. Hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. I've got 100,000 K giveaway coming up. Make sure you're sending your email and subscribing to the channel. The email will be in the description below, as well as a lot of links. This is a video from the Junkyard News. I only took a couple clips. You have to go over to this video. It is insane. He has all the stuff that's listed in it. It's in Costa, Mesa, California. And I know exactly how he feels. I hope he's not mad that I took a couple clips. And I hope that a lot of you go over to his channel. Like I said, the links will be in the description. Let him know that I sent you over there. But this video is crazy. I mean, just completely insane. And yeah. So like I said, I'm putting in a couple clips. But you need to go over to his channel to watch the whole thing. So without further ado, let's get into that video. Don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. And I will have all the links in the description. So, and I'm out of here. Soliaka, deuces.
What you gonna do?
Hey man, I don't want to get shot.
Listen to command, and you won't get bit by the weed.
My hands are right here, buddy. Again, I don't consent to the seizure of my taser. Perfectly legal to carry in California.
But I'd like to share a little bit of information with you.
Triple stamp a double stamp. You can't triple stamp a double stamp, Lord. You can't triple stamp a double stamp.
But I'd like to share a little bit of information with you.
Feel free.
I need to get your name and information.
No, you don't.
Because I need to write a report. You're threatening to sue all my officers, and I have to document it.
No.
Okay?
You want my name? My attorney will provide it. Did you investigate?
That's what we're doing.
All right, do that. Do that. Are we done? Did you figure it out?
We have officers up there.
Hold on. We're not done investigating. Part of this investigation is we need to identify you.
No.
Do you have an ID on you?
I don't answer questions.
Got some ID?
Do you suspect me of committing a crime?
You got some identification?
Why would I need identification?
What's your name, bud?
I don't answer questions.
Man, we did.
What if I escalate the situation and they pull a phone on me and the footage lands on YouTube? And the next thing you know, you're surrounded by cameras and trending on Twitter. No cop should have to worry about that.
You don't.
Yes, we do, because
Once I'm placed under arrest for a crime, I will provide my information.
okay.
Until that point, I don't have to give you jack shit.
Well, that's not necessarily true.
You're a goddamn lie.
Would you
Let
like
me
to
ask you a
argue in
question.
this
Let
position?
me ask you a question. You answer it honestly.
You are being lied to. You're being lied to.
That's
And
what I'm
maybe
here
I'll
for.
answer your question.
Okay.
Okay? All right. Do you have any possible evidence or reasonable belief that I'm a prohibited person? Any type of prohibited person?
I don't understand, bitch. Don't understand. I don't.
Do you have any possible information to your or knowledge right now that makes you suspect that I'm a prohibited person?
We're sorry.
No.
Okay. Exactly. That's committed. As far as being a prohibited person, it's not a default status.
We had reasonable suspicion that you're in possession of a weapon in public. And we have the right to
Which is legal in California.
We have the right to stop and confirm that you're in legal possession of the weapon. We can sit here and go round and round, but this is what we do every day.
Fuck you say to me, you little shit! Fuck you say to me, you little shit!
Go round and round, but this is what we do every day.
It's okay. Just digging deeper. Just digging deeper.
Can you clarify that question for me?
Yes, sir. If Lieutenant Garcia tells you to do something in the course and scope of your duties that is not a crime but would violate the civil rights of an individual, are you obligated to comply with that directive?
Objection to the point.
Yes.
Okay.